This is Gary Guyman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
Another way to use social media in 2023 is to have a syndicate, a mafia, if you will. Look, Ryan Stewman taught me 6-7 years ago to and turn me on to this, and we use it a lot today. But having a group of people when you make a post to like, comment, share allows that post to stay on the wall. You know, it used to be Facebook, Instagram would give you about 15 minutes to gain traction on a post. Nowadays, I don't even think it's that much. But when you post something, you need people that will go like, post, or like, comment, and share that post to keep that post active on that wall, to keep people's eyes on that post. And you can utilize family, friends, employees, whoever that may be. But every time you make a post, have a group chat that you send out. Hey, go check this post out. Give me a like, comment, share, so we can keep that post engaged and in people's feeds, because that is what's going to keep it in feeds. When you see posts go viral, it's because there have been a lot of engagements early, and engagement is a like, comment, or share. There's been a lot of engagements early, and so the platform, whichever social media platform it is, decides, you know what? Yeah, we're going to keep that. We're going to keep that pushing out so that other people can see this interesting information that people are engaging with. Look, number one, you got to push content out. But number two, you got to have a group, a syndicate, a mafia to help you extend the life on the platform so that that post can get in front of as many people as possible. So develop it, develop that syndicate, develop that mafia, have a way or a system. And when you post that it's being pushed out, make sure you're doing that for others, especially in 2023 when social media is going to be critical in growing your business. A syndicate or a mafia is very important to getting you to where you want to be with your brand in 2023.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.